Today we're reviewing stock number 34486 on a 2007 Buick Terraza CXL, and our exterior color is silver. Interior options include power windows, locks and mirrors, power driver's seat, leather upholstery, light controls, tilt steering, cruise control, audio controls, garage door opener, CD AM/FM radio, climate control with AC, and our interior color is gray and black. Outdoor exterior features, we have roof rack, chrome alloy wheels, mud flaps, rear parking assist, and more cargo space. Rear options include power sliding doors, pass-through seating with cup holders, and you can fold the seats down to get to a third row seating. Once again, we're viewing stock number 34486 on a 2007 Buick Terraza. Our exterior color is silver.